Kled AI, so get paid for your data, new interesting app, get paid for your data. Kled is the first app that rewards you for your photos and videos. Upload your camera roll and Kled connects your content with leading AI companies looking for real non-public data securely and with your consent. Every upload turns your content into earnings, no gimmies, no ads, just real rewards. Thousands of users have been paid, and then it just goes to your PayPal. Upload, stay private and are licensed only for AI training. Earn from your entire camera roll in minutes. So just upload, we do the rest. Watch your earnings grow, your profile made simple, seamless integrations. Participate in special tasks. During the future of data markets today. Cash out not received. People, however, see in the comments that this is not actually working. Yeah, unfortunately, you can see that's and it requires iOS 18 or later. But yeah, there you have it.